In this video, we will solve a few logarithms and logarithm functions. So this is the first problem, log base 3, 27. And in order to evaluate this expression, we'll use our properties of logarithm. And so what we can do for this problem is rewrite this a little bit. If you look at rule 3, this one right here, log base a, parentheses, a raised to x, the answer would simply be x. So instead of saying 27, I could say 3 cubed. 3 cubed is 27. So we have this right now. Log 3, 3. And so the final answer would simply be 3. This 3 right here. This would be the answer. Next, log base 4, 2. This is almost the same. So we rearrange this a little bit. We could say log base 4, parentheses, instead of saying 2, we could say 4 raised to the 1/2, because the square root of 4 is 2. And so, like for this problem, the answer would simply be this part right here, 1/2. The next one, we have 10 log 7. And we know that log by itself is base 10. So we have 10 log 10, 7. And so this is very similar to rule number 2. A log a x, and so the answer would be x. So 10 log 10 is a log a, so the final answer would simply be 7. Next, log base 5, parentheses, 25 raised to x. Instead of saying 25, we could say 5 squared. So this is like rule number 3. So log base 5, parentheses, 5 squared. So this part right here would cancel, and our final answer would be 2 times x. So the answer is 2x. Last one, log base 2, parentheses, 8 raised to x. Instead of saying 8, we could say 2 cubed, parentheses, raised to x, like this. And similar to rule number 3. So log base a, parentheses, 8 raised to x. So this part right here would cancel, and we would have 3 times x. So the final answer is 3x. And that's all we need to do for these problems.